Drug abuse is a global issue that affects individuals, families, and societies. It refers to the misuse or excessive use of psychoactive substances, including illegal drugs and prescription medications, in a way that has negative physical, mental, and social consequences. Drug abuse can lead to addiction, health problems, impaired judgment, criminal behavior, and economic burdens. Here is a list of 10 drugs that are commonly abused worldwide, along with a brief overview of each. Opioids. Opioids, including prescription painkillers like oxycodone and illegal drugs like heroin, are highly addictive and have a significant impact on public health. Overdose deaths related to opioid abuse have reached alarming levels in many countries, particularly the United States. Methamphetamine. Methamphetamine, commonly known as meth, is a potent stimulant drug that can lead to addiction and severe health problems. It is produced illegally in clandestine labs and is associated with numerous physical and mental health consequences. Cocaine. Cocaine is a powerful stimulant derived from the coca plant. It is commonly abused for its euphoric effects. Prolonged cocaine abuse can lead to cardiovascular issues, psychiatric disorders, and addiction. Cannabis. Cannabis, also known as marijuana or weed, is the most widely used illicit drug globally. While its use is increasingly legalized for medical and recreational purposes in some regions, excessive and prolonged use can lead to dependency and adverse effects on cognitive function and mental health. Synthetic cannabinoids. Synthetic cannabinoids, often referred to as spice or K2, are man-made drugs designed to mimic the effects of cannabis. These substances can be highly potent and pose significant health risks, including seizures, psychosis, and even death. Synthetic cathinones. Synthetic cathinones, commonly known as bath salts, are stimulant drugs that can produce intense highs and hallucinations. They have been associated with dangerous and erratic behaviors, as well as severe medical emergencies. MDMA, ecstasy. MDMA, also known as ecstasy or Molly, is a synthetic psychoactive drug that produces euphoria and increased sociability. Prolonged use can lead to adverse effects on mood, cognition, and mental health. Benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines, such as Valium and Xanax, are prescription medications commonly abused for their sedative and calming effects. Misuse of benzodiazepines can lead to addiction, cognitive impairment, and respiratory depression. Inhalants. Inhalants encompass a wide range of volatile substances, such as aerosol sprays, solvents, and nitrous oxide, which are inhaled for their mind-altering effects. Inhalant abuse can cause serious damage to the brain, liver, and other organs. Prescription stimulants. Prescription stimulants like Adderall and Ritalin, commonly used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, are sometimes misused by individuals seeking increased focus or performance enhancement. Improper use of these drugs can lead to addiction, cardiovascular problems, and psychological dependence. It is important to note that drug abuse patterns can vary across different regions and populations. Effective strategies to address drug abuse include prevention programs, access to treatment and rehabilitation services, public awareness campaigns, regulation of prescription medications, and international cooperation to combat illicit drug trafficking. Efforts should also focus on providing education, promoting mental health support, and addressing social determinants that contribute to drug abuse, such as poverty and social exclusion. A comprehensive approach involving governments, communities, healthcare providers, and individuals is essential to tackle the complex issue of drug abuse and its associated consequences.